we need to solve the exponential equation. The trick when solving this equation is to stop and note this. The blue expression is the perfect square of 3 to the x minus 1. So if we make that equals m, the equation becomes quadratic. We need solving the equation 3m squared minus 4m minus 4 equals 0. We can use the quadratic formula as we explained in this video. But in this case, perhaps factorizing is easy enough. The factors are 3m plus 2 and n minus 2. We need either factor to be 0, so m must be negative 2/3 or m must be 2. Those are the two solutions for m. All we have to do now is solving for x. Since m equals 3 to the x minus 1, either that equals minus 2/3 or that equals 2. Solving the first one, 3 to the x must be 1/3, so x is negative 1. And solving the second one, 3 to the x must be 3, so x equals 1. Voila, the two solutions of our exponential example. If you want to practice exponential equations, click on any of the previous videos. And until next week, happy learning!